Hello, my name is Robert Patrick. I'm the master gardener and owner here at Indian Creek Farms, and we're going to talk to you about how to transplant catnip. Now, catnip being part of the mint family, it can be a little invasive, but that's a good thing because that means that it's going to be easy to transplant and easy to root. When you're transplanting, you may run into some ants in your pots. Don't forget about diatomaceous earth in that transplanting area. Add that diatomaceous earth into the soil whenever you're doing the transplant, and you'll love yourself for it. Now, two methods of transplanting that I use. One of them is to separate a root ball or a mass of a plant, and you may need a knife or a small hatchet or a pair of garden snips. And then once you get it separated, you'll put your soil in another pot and then pour your compost and garden soil over the top of it and then settle it in real well, and then you're going to end up watering it in at the end of the process. Another good method, because catnip's part of the mint family, is that you can take cuttings off of the new growth of the catnip plant and you can simply strip off the bottom group of leaves and then use a little dabbler and push the dabbler down into the soil and then set your plants in there, the stems down inside of it, and pack the soil in around it. And those are two great methods to transplant catnip.